Hello and welcome everyone on this official platform of Legacy IS Academy. So, what if I told you that a foreign armed group marched 10 kilometers deep into the another country and they held a public festival, took selfies, and they walked out without facing a single bullet or a barrier or resistance? जी हाँ, as you can see here, Arakan Army marched 10 kilometers in Bangladesh without any resistance. No, this is not a fiction. It is not a scene from a war movie. This actually happened in 2025 in the hills of southeastern Bangladesh. While the world as we are watching various events in 2025 like Gaza, Ukraine, Sudan, something quietly shook the fragile borders of South Asia. That is the Arakan army, which is a powerful insurgent forces from Myanmar region, crossed into the Bangladesh border, that is Bandarban district, and fully armed Bandarban district में इन्होंने enter किया. As you can see here, this is the map. So, and they were fully armed. That is the most important thing that we need to understand. And they have celebrated as if it was their own land. But here is the twist. The entire event was posted proudly on social media. No response, no retaliation, just silence. So today we uncover the shocking details of the Arakan army's silent invasion, the political outrage that followed, and the dangerous message it sends to the entire region. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So let me show you the news articles which are related to this event. तो ये काफी ज्यादा न्यूज में भी आया हुआ है. So as you can see here, Arakan army marched 10 kilometers into Bangladesh without resistance. जी हाँ. और एक और आर्टिकल आया हुआ है बांग्लादेश के न्यूज़पेपर में, अराकन आर्मी होल्ड्स वाटर फेस्टिवल 10 किलोमीटर इनसाइड बांग्लादेश. जी हाँ. So what happened on 16th April and 17th April 2025? The armed members of the Arakan army, which is a rebel group from Myanmar, they crossed about 10 kilometers into Bangladesh and they entered Tangshi Upazila in Bandarban district, especially the Remakri Mukh area of Tindu region. जो Remakri Mukh area है Tindu region का, so it is given in the newspaper also. Clear? So this is one of the most important event that took place, as you can see here. Clear? This. Now, this event is important with respect to two countries, with respect to the invasion, silent invasion. अब सवाल ये उठता है, आए वो बांग्लादेश में और उसी के साथ ही साथ दे हैव सेलिब्रेटेड a water festival. Water festival a cultural festival, as you can see here. It is a cultural festival of Rakhine state. So they held a water festival there in Bangladesh area with the help of local indigenous communities, and it was attended by the people from various groups. अब कौन कौन से ग्रुप्स हैं जिनके थ्रू कौन कौन से ऐसे ग्रुप्स हैं जिन्होंने इस फेस्टिवल को अटेंड किया? Like various groups were there who attended this festival, like United League of Arakan. United League of Arakan ने इस फेस्टिवल को अटेंड किया है, which is a political wing of Arakan army. United League of Arakan is the political wing of Arakan army. So this entire event is shared on social media through videos. इस पूरे इवेंट को शो किया गया है सोशल मीडिया पर वीडियोस के थ्रू. आई होप दिस मच इज क्लियर. अब किस किसने इस इवेंट को ज्वाइन किया? हु ज्वाइंड दिस इवेंट? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, अराकन आर्मी मेंबर्स इन यूनिफॉर्म वर सीन परफॉर्मिंग. Arakan army members, they were seen performing. Then senior Arakan army leaders like Lore, who is also called as Kukai Rakhine, and Mong Tuhila Marma. These leaders, they took part in this event. Now, videos of the festival were shared by the Arakan army on social media. As you can see these headlines, वीडियोस को शेयर भी किया गया है एंड कहा जा रहा है अराउंड 600 to 700 पीपल अटेंडेड इंक्लूडिंग लोकल मारमा कम्युनिटी मेंबर्स एंड अराकन आर्मी सपोर्टर्स. नाउ from Bangladesh also several local political leaders they have joined. Local political leaders कुछ बांग्लादेश के जिन्होंने इस इवेंट को ज्वाइन किया. अब वो कौन से लीडर हैं? एक बीएनपी के लीडर है, बांग्लादेश नेशनलिस्ट पार्टी बीएनपी लीडर कमलाई म्रो. सो बीएनपी लीडर्स कमलाई म्रो and district council members were there in this event. They have also attended and they had no objection. Do you believe? And then Mustui Marmaroni Hill district council members, he was also there, and there were other union local leaders also. अब सवाल ये उठता है, why people are upset? First of all, why people are upset? इन सभी चीजों से लोग क्यों परेशान हैं? अगर हम सबसे पहले बात करें, this group was armed and in uniform and no Bangladeshi security forces stopped them. Bangladeshi security forces ने उन्हें रोका ही नहीं. And this is seen as a serious violation of Bangladesh sovereignty. That means its control over its own land. Did Bangladeshi authorities do anything? तो आइए समझते हैं. Did the Bangladeshi authorities do anything? तो सबसे पहली सवाल जो उठता है that is BGB पर. बांग्लादेश गार्ड और बॉर्डर गार्ड बांग्लादेश के ऑफिसर्स वहां पर थे, बट उन्होंने इस इवेंट को रोकने की बिल्कुल भी कोशिश नहीं की. इस इवेंट को नहीं रोका गया. बॉर्डर गार्ड बांग्लादेश ऑफिसर्स दे वर प्रेजेंट बट डिड नॉट स्टॉप द इवेंट. एंड बीजीबी बॉर्डर गार्ड बांग्लादेश लेटर दे सेड दे वर देयर टू कीप नेशनल सिक्योरिटी एंड पीस. And BGB intelligence head, that is Brigadier General Yasir Jahan Hussain, and these leaders these officials said that they knew in advance that Arakan army might attend this event. अब इन्होंने कहा कि हमें पता था कि हो सकता है अराकन आर्मी इस इवेंट को अटेंड करेगी. Now, he claimed that the event was led by the local union official and said some people in the videos did not appear to be in official Arakan army uniforms. Apart from this, Bandarban police chief Mohammad Shahidullah Kawsar, now he said they are still investigating, that we are still investigating this incident. अब सवाल ये उठता है, why is this issue so serious? Now, अब अगर हम इस इशू की बात करें, ये इशू इतना इंपॉर्टेंट क्यों है? The area where the event had happened is 10 kilometer inside Bangladesh official border. It is not a disputed area. And experts, they are saying that this is a serious violation of Bangladesh sovereignty. And they also warn that Arakan army may be trying to build a political and military base in Chittagong hill tracts. And that is why a regional expert called this as a sovereignty rehearsal. It is not just a cultural festival. And t-shirts at the event said member family. In Bangla language, they are hinting at organizing support from locals. तो ये खतरा है बांग्लादेश के लिए भी. Now, what people are saying? अब लोगों का इस पे क्या कहना है? What people are saying? Now, the Arakan army said that the event showed unity with local communities. And some speakers, they said it was a sign of political identity as well as solidarity. And a Rohingya leader, he said it is shocking that those who did genocide in Myanmar region, they are now celebrating with weapons in Bangladesh. Now, why does it matter? क्यों ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्यों इस टाइम पर ये न्यूज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है? बिकॉज सिक्योरिटी एक्सपर्ट्स के हिसाब से दे से दैट इफ गवर्नमेंट डज नॉट एक्ट फास्ट, दिस कुड लीड टू अ न्यू सेपरेटिस्ट armed group inside the Bangladesh, and they see this event as a possible turning point in region's history. Now, who spoke out against this thing? So as you can see his image, he is Mia Ghulam Parwar. अब ये मिया गुलाम परवार कौन है? मिया गुलाम परवार, a secretary general of Bangladesh Jamaat-e Islami, and he was a former MP, and he strongly condemned the incursion of Arakan army celebrating the festival inside the Bangladesh, and he said that this is a threat to national independence, and it shows that the government, border guard Bangladesh and armed forces, they fail to protect the border. And that is why he asked, how could this happen without any resistance? तो अब सवाल सबके सामने ये आ रहा है, why this is a big issue? अब अगर आप समझने की कोशिश करिए, बंदरबान एरिया, कहां पर ये इवेंट हो रहा है? बंदरबान एरिया, which is a border district near Myanmar's Rakhine state, and the terrain in this area is also rugged and forested, and that is why making it hard to guard this region. Apart from this, local communities there have cultural links with the people across the border, which they may have helped the Arakan army mix in, and the Arakan army is fighting the Myanmar military and often comes near or into the Bangladesh area. So this is a serious issue. समझ में आ रहा है? This is a serious issue. Overall, if you see, on 16 to 17 April 2025, that armed Arakan army members from Myanmar came 10 kilometers into inside the Bangladesh, and they held a public festival, है ना, which was joined by the political wing of ULA, जमाते इस्लामी लीडर. इसीलिए गोलम परवार साहब ने कंडेम किया है इस चीज को, and he questions Bangladesh border security, and the event caused the national concern, and people are now demanding action from the government, but government of Bangladesh is not doing anything. So this was not just a border breach, this was a warning. It is a text message to Bangladesh, to South Asia, and to the whole world. When all armed foreign insurgent group can walk in, celebrate, record it, and leave untouched, it forces us to ask, who is really in control of the borderland? Who is really controlling the borderland? Who is guarding the borderland? So in the age where sovereignty is not only about the land but also about the presence, sovereignty about the perception and power. So this incident speaks louder than any official statement. As global attention stays fixed on usual flashpoint, silent invasions like these may shaping the next big step in geopolitical crisis. And Bangladesh must decide, was this a one-time embarrassment or start of something far more dangerous? So if this story shocked you, share it. Let the world know what happened in Bandarban, because silence too is a response, and it might just be the most dangerous one. Thank you so much. So this is the issue with respect to Arakan army, which entered in Bangladesh from 16 to 17 April to celebrate the festival. So this is one of the important national security issue. Thank you so much.